everybody, and welcome back to the Swedish chef of model builders on all of YouTube, Pitstain Hobbies. Yiminy, Jiminy, Diminy. Yes, we were going to do issue 25 of Ecto-1, but it included the door with the door mirror hole. And the new door without that hole comes in issue 107. So we're going to skip issue 25 for now. We'll get back to it, don't worry. And we're going to go with issue 26 of the amazing Fanhome Ghostbusters Ecto-1, previously of the company we shall not speak of. So, stage 95 through 98. Links below. Hopefully, God hope, someday they start selling it again. But yeah, that's what we got tonight. So, issue, well, it's 98. 95, I think, is at the bottom of the pile. Yes, 95 is this huge metal rear passenger side door. So we're going to start getting this thing. Let me get this glue out of the way. I'm not building dioramas tonight. Yes, wife's home. I hear the dogs barking upstairs. I've got to go say hi to the company. And, I've had a couple. No, dear. Well, this should be interesting. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to get this unpacked, and we'll continue in a second. One sec, please. All right, and we're back with issue 95, or stage 95, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Come on, cut. There we go. Uh-oh, there goes my remote. Goodbye. Oh, dear. Okay. Nothing left in there. Plastic bag. Crush the beer cans with it. Let's... Oh. Peel this open. Oh. Oh, boy. Okay. Nothing left there. Gonna just put that on the floor. Look at this solid metal door. Knuckle test. Ow! Yeah, that's solid metal. Okay, fair enough. We're gonna get rid of this. We are using the instructions on the myecto1.com build site. So, oh dear. Okay, screws. A lot of screws. More screws. Yet more screws. Okay. More screws. Nope, that's a little bit of plastic. And some little bushings. And what do we need? Tweezers. Door hinge spring, striker plate, and then door handle, and door trims. Okay. That's it. It's all the parts. Okay. Let's start scrolling on Todd's website. Oh, we got... Okay. So first of all, these 4 trims are going to go on the front door. So we got to save these for issue 25. So what we're going to do is take a Ziploc bag and a Sharpie marker. I'm going to write issue. It looks like a V, but it's not. 25. So anything that we need to do to issue 25, we're going to save. I'm going to save it for later. That one went there. Okay. There we go. Issue 25. We're going to save those. Because, oh man, yeah. Yeah, we don't want to deal with that. And, oh, this is the door lock, apparently, for issue 25. So we're going to put that in there. And, oh, God. Oh, I'm going to get the body out and put this thing on. Oh, man. Okay, 1 second, please. Okay, well, all ready for the cannonball run. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's so heavy. We got our door striker. Hold on. In there with a BM screw. In there. Oh, God, it's so heavy. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, my God, this thing's heavy. Not dramaticizing how heavy the body of this is. 1 sec. All right, body's out of the way. Sorry about that. We got our back passenger side door. We're going to take our door handle, put it in there, just like that, and then right through there, 1 AM screw. And this is not metal. This is plastic. So no oil. 1 second, please. So, there we go. Yeah. Door handle is on. AM screws in. Perfect. This thing. See this angle? Like this. Point it down. Put it in. That slot right there. On the edge of your paper towel or microfiber towel or okay. Yeah, we'll just agree to disagree on holding that in. We need our little spring. So that, no real angle to it, but we'll put it this way. Okay. We'll hold that down. And then we'll let go and the part falls out. That's fine. We need the 2 plastic rings. And we need a couple of RM screws. It's probably right here. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's what we need. You know, wife says, come up, say hi to my friend. And she's like, stop talking. And I'm like, you said say hi. And I started talking. And then she's like, go away. Stop talking so much. I don't know how to deal with life anymore. I really don't. Because if I'm talking, I'm telling stories. It's kind of like on here. So we're going to put the hinge under the spring metally thingamajigger and get our oil over here. And we're going to put a ring down on one of these posts. And I tell stories. And I have to watch out what stories I tell. Because my wife works for the big boss of her company. But yet she's friends with a lot of the other employees. But I hear things. I hear things. So I have to be very careful. But I did tell a story about one of the bosses that got a pizza out of a vending machine in a parking lot in northwest Atlanta. Oh, not even Atlanta. Maybe it was Atlanta. I don't know. But I was like, I respect this man so much because he's ordered a pizza from a vending machine. Like, I respect people that eat pizza from unknown metal boxes and parking lots in fairly affluent neighborhoods. I was like, yeah, she's like, oversharing. I'm like, I overshare all the time. So there we go. So we got our 2 RM screws in there. Our door hinge is in. I feel it's a little loose, but I don't want to over tighten and strip any screws. So I'm going to go like a 1/4 to a 1/2 turn. That one's not going anymore. That'll strip. And then now let's see what we got. You got a good click, you're all set. Nice click. You have to commit. Or acquit. Yeah, there we go. If the glove doesn't fit, that's it for 95. Wow, that was easy. Okay. Hit the little button from Staples. I don't have one of those. I have one at work. I don't have one at home. So we're going to get stage 96. We'll be right back. Okay, so we have stage 96. Oh, man. Oh, there it is. It's a hard life. It's a hard knock life. Meh, meh. You know, Jay-Z video and all that. It's, so we gotta, and we're just doing everything we can to, skip issue 25 for now until we get the corrected right side front door. And, a little more plastic on the floor. Got a window here. That's fun. Okay, what do we do with it? Come on, Todd, tell me what to do. Okay, so we're going to take this and our trim, and we're going to put that on here. There we go, just like that. And 3 SM screws. We can tell. 1, 2, 3. 1 second, please. All right. So we're going to take this little triangular. Okay, come on now. We're going to take this little bit and put it right here and throw a DM screw in there. And we're going to take this part. Oh my Lord. Why are you so fiddly? Why are you so fiddly? And we're going to put this one on here and 2 more DM screws there. So let me get those in and I'll be back with you in a sec. Alrighty. Oh, those are screwed in. Those are screwed in. So we've got panels there. And now we've got to take our plunger assembly and this spring and mate them together. Mate them. Sounds like I'm trying to make pandas that are on loan from China. Not much different, honestly. We're going to put the little spring on the little post. That's fine. And, yeah. And then we're going to get this little fella out of here. And we're going to put the little post into the little hole. Oh, Todd. Oh, Jesus. It went flying. 1 second, please. Oh, God. Gosh darn it. 1 second. Okay, well, I tore apart my workbench and I found the missing part. So now what I'm going to do is very carefully put it into this hole, and I am going to fit this piece onto it and hold it down right there and get a DM screw in that hole right there. And dear God, man, like, how? I thought I lost it. But I heard it, and it sounded like it hit on the workbench, and it was on the workbench. Please, for all love that is sacred. Okay. Oh, my. And tighten it enough that it doesn't wiggle We want it to, okay, it's still gonna wiggle. Still gonna wiggle a little, but there we go. Nice and smooth. Whew, man. I'm glad I found that part. And that's it for 96. Oh my God. Okay, so 97, well, we're gonna save that for later. The window. And 97, here we go. We've got some trim and whatnot. Let's get our little knife out. Oh, I friggin' messed up my shoulder. I did. Oh, it's, I'm 45, everybody. It's, I'm no spring chicken. So, if you move the wrong way, if you squeeze your toothpaste at the wrong angle one morning, you'll feel it. And it's just how it goes. So let's get on to a stage 97 on Todd's website and see what he's got going on here. Okay, so we're going to take this. Yes. Very nice. Chrome trim. And we need... there it is. Not the trim. That's going to stay. We're going to take the felt sticker. Oh, dear. Okay. We got to stick it right at the top edge of this. So I'm going to do that and show you what it looks like so you know where to put it. One moment, please. Alrighty. Well, screwed in. Nice. And taped down. Pretty. Oh, okay. It's all right. So what we're gonna do is get this fella onto here, and we're gonna put these tabs down, and oh, yep, there we go, and yep, there we go. Okay, and we're gonna get 5 OP screws here. There we go. So 1 second, please. Okay, so we got those 5 screws in there, and that's on, and then we get 3 TM screws in, and 1 moment. Be right back. All right, so they want you to put this top trim piece here first, but I'm gonna do it last. There we go. I'm gonna do the side trim pieces first on here. And here. I'm gonna line them up with the bottom and get them stuck down. Then that one goes on. That's how I'm doing it. I dry fitted them. I think this is the best way. I'll be right back. All right. Well, some sour cream and onion potato chips later. Got our trim on. Looking good. Very nice. Stage 98 now. Oh, man. Who doesn't love sour cream and onion Lay's potato chips? Or Ruffles. Ruffles have ridges. Yes, they do. Ridges. Ruffles they have. Yes, Luke. Ridges. You will learn. Okay. So 98. Cover's gone. Door panel. Here we go. And we'll just put that down there. And a couple gears here. I'm going to take, oh my God, Why am I bothering with tweezers? We've got a hole here. Okay. I'm going to put that right there. And get an HP screw in there. Cool whip. Why are you saying H so funny, Brian? Yes. Yes, I am saying H funny. UP. Felt pads. HP. H. Brian, why? Because we've all watched Family Guy, and oh my God, why can't Ziploc bags from hell? Why can't I open you? Get a tweezer in there. Oh my Lord. There we go. I opened it. Oh my. Why? Why do you gotta make it so hard? Oh, it's because my fingers are all greasy from eating Lay's potato chips. So when I go to the UK next week, I'm gonna have prawn flavored potato chips. Use my I think a PH0 screwdriver, and we'll screw that down right there. A little loose. There we go. You want it to spin freely. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna grab this fella like that. With the R facing up, and we're gonna kind of put it sort of there, I guess. We need a UP screw. HP. Oh, there's a UP. Try to spread it. Spread. Just open. Okay. There we go. We got it. We got it this time. These are PH1. And let's see how tight. Go like an eighth of a turn at a time. Okay, so we've got that, and we're going to take a little shmoo, and we're going to squeeze a little shmoo, and we're going to, and we're just going to work the shmoo in there. Okay, so we've got that done, and we've got to get a couple of felt pads right at the top edge here and here, and those are these two little bastards. Okay, well, I'll get those stuck on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so 98 is done. We're right there. That is stage 26. I'm kind of disappointed we didn't get to put the window into the back door yet. That will be issue 27. So there we go. Yeah, very nice. I'm sorry we had to skip 25, but it just had the wrong door. So the correct door comes in 107. So we'll do it then, and we'll do it right. And again, thank you, everybody. And if anybody wants to come to my house on October 26th for our Halloween party, I will be dressed up as a Ghostbuster. Message me on Facebook, send me an email, whatever you want. If you're not a creepy, weirdo, stalker, serial killer type, I'll give you the address, and you're just gonna kind of prove you're not a psycho. Thank you for coming. We'll see you next time on Pits and Hobbies. Adios, everybody.